we are going to be asking Dr. Malindog Uy pressing questions regarding the recent changes in the Philippines, and we will be discussing the recent visit of U.S. Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth to the country, the implications of statements from Filipino military officials regarding potential aid to Taiwan, and the newly approved acquisition of F 16 fighter jets. What do these developments signal for the future of the Philippines and its relationship with its neighbors? So let us welcome our guests today. So, first of all, Anna. Anna, how are you tonight?
I'm fine, and thank you so much. And I'm so happy to see Jerry and you being with me tonight, and having this conversation, because it seems like there's so much going on at the moment. Not necessarily one is the tariff trade war and the imposition of tariff by President Trump. That's one, and I think it's making a buzz all across the world. And even just today, earlier, I was listening to the speech of Malaysian Prime Minister Anwar, I think, and he was reacting to the imposition of tariff on Malaysia, and he was saying that since Malaysia is right now the chairman of ASEAN, so
Mm-hmm.
he was saying in his speech that he's now in contact with the ASEAN leaders, and they have some kind of consultation, and ASEAN as a group, as a bloc, will be having a solid stand on this. But at the moment, Malaysia and I think other ASEAN countries did not yet some kind of they don't yet have these retaliatory measures against the
Mm-hmm.
United States. So that's one. And then you have again my country, the Philippines, is now being dragged again, and with with this new issue of F-16 possible arms deal, and at the same time upcoming Balikatan air exercises, which is actually this is the joint military air exercise between the U.S. forces and American and Filipino forces that will be upcoming. I think this month or next month, but I think it's this month. So that is very critical. And then you have you have the South China Sea issue. I just came from the Boao forum, which I
Yeah.
attended a sub forum on South China Sea. And I'm not kidding, Jerry and Fernando. The issue of the South China Sea, you can feel that people within the region and Southeast Asia, the sub region, Asia Pacific, and even outside of Asia Pacific, they are feeling the heat, and they're very concerned about the South China Sea as a flashpoint in Asia Pacific when you talk about possible military escalation.